okay? What is up, my Winjas? This is your girl Maya. Welcome back to Move with Maya. Today I'm going to show you the scorpion, which is a form-specific stretch of animal flow. And then we're going to move to the full scorpion, which is even harder than the scorpion. And then I'm going to show you how you can incorporate it in the other movements that we've already learned in the previous animal flow videos with me, your girl Maya. Remember, before any animal flow practice, we warm up our wrists. And I made you guys a video that you can watch all about the wrist warm up. So now let's get into it. All right. Make sure you've watched parts 1, 2, and 3 so you know what I'm talking about. But right now we're gonna start in loaded beast, which is covered in part 3. Boom, beast, loaded. Push the hands up, push the hips back, knees never touch. Now I'm gonna take my right leg and I'm gonna take my right knee and I'm gonna bring it to my left wrist. So, and then watch, I'm gonna draw a circle. Come over here, Mike. I'm gonna draw a circle with what is now my scorpion tail. Out, 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 out. Kabam! Crack that hip open. Push the ground away. Put your head in between your arms. Keep reaching, and keep lengthening. Damn, your glutes are gonna be firing. And that, my friend, is the scorpion reach. And when you return, you reverse the movement. So I'm gonna draw a circle, back, and return to loaded beast. Woo! I'm gonna slow that down a little bit for you. When you're in loaded beast, you're gonna be taking one knee and you're gonna cross your body to the opposite wrist. Thereby, boom, abs action, right? So you're gonna take the knee, bring it to the wrist, and then what you're gonna do with that leg is you're gonna draw a circle. I imagine in my head, I'm drawing like a half moon. You gotta make these sound effects too. It really helps with the hip lengthening. So the circle goes, and it doesn't just stop up here. It keeps going past the midline of your body, past this base arm as well. So it's gonna go, boom. And that's why it's called the scorpion reach. Bow. I'm gonna show it to you again, okay? My body is gonna be curved almost. And the more that you're able to lengthen your hips and open your hips, the more you'll see how much opening is really happening here. So check it out. Load the beast. Boom. Crack. Snap that hip open like a chicken wing. And now, I'm feeling really good now. Well, now watch how much further I can extend my leg as my hips and hip flexors are lengthening. See that circle? We're going way past our base arm here, while our head is just chilling in between the arms. And reverse, draw that circle back, and come back to loaded beast. Hot damn! This is an excellent exercise that you can incorporate in your warm-up, as a superset to your lift, or even as like an activation for the glutes. What we're doing here is we're lengthening the lats, we're lengthening the shoulders, we're actually lengthening all the abdominal muscles while we're firing up the glutes. Damn, I'm ready to squat. Once you guys have nailed your scorpion reach, the next level up is the full scorpion. Oh, that's the crane. This is the full scorpion. Now check it out, it's gonna start the same, but this time my tail is gonna keep going, bang, and then I'm gonna throw in a side kick through. All right, so check it out. Load the beast, opposite knee to elbow to wrist, draw the circle, reach, extension, and then watch my tail. Gonna keep going, over. Now we call this the modified crab. Get yourself back into beast, and the beauty about animal flow is, now that you know the other movements, you can throw in a side kick through. And another side kick through. And then, oh, guess what? We can do another full scorpion. The combinations are endless. So, give that a try. Remember, tight hips, you're gonna have a hard time. So make sure you warm up your hips, warm up your wrist, and then come back here and tell me how you did. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And I love hearing from you, so drop me a comment. Woo! I reply to every single comment, so let's stay connected. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Move with Mya, MYA. I'm on there every day, and I'm here every week for you as we become Winjas.